Hello everyone, and thank you for everyone who clicked on this video. It means a lot. So we have a dog named Tornado, and as of right now she is in critical condition. As you can see in the picture, Tornado is currently too weak to eat or drink right now. And right now she is suffering a disease called IMHA, which stands for Immune-mediated hemolytic anemia. So what that is that right now inside her body, in her immune system, it's making the immune system target her own red blood cells and destroy them. The body needs red blood cells to live because the blood carries a lot of nutrients, energy, the stuff the body needs. So right now she is in the ICU for animals, and it's called Fetch ICU. And right now she has a tube that's pumping blood into her, a tube that feeds her, and a tube that gives her water because she is too weak to be able to drink and eat. So right now all the doctors there are doing all these treatments with her, and as of right now she's listed in critical condition, and she is going to be in a hospital for, we don't know how long she's going to be there for. And we need anyone who can help us, because all of her treatments is going to cost us at least $10,000. And if you could just donate anything, just anything would be helpful. No matter how small it is, anything matters. Because Tornado needs your help. She needs all of our help right now. So if you have any spare change, please donate it to help Tornado. And if you can't donate, that is completely fine. What I can ask though is that if everyone can share this video or share the link to donate, it'll be very much appreciated. It will help out so much. So the first link in the description of the video, or you can scroll down to the comments, it'll be the top comment. There will be a link to the GoFundMe, and there you can see more details, and you can donate there. So please share the link, and please donate if you could, because yeah, she really needs help right now. And I cannot say thank you enough for anyone who decides to help. But thank you so much for anyone who can help Tornado out. So I have nothing else to say here, so I'm going to end off this video, and any help would be appreciated. And I would really much be appreciated if you guys shared the fundraiser, shared the video, anything you guys can do to help. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you some other time.